bia na asoye akwaje ma home wo honom no meka wa ha eniema effect ya galamsey di braye wo yenua mu mefira bia na asoye ba ya na mu say report aba confirming what I said here. Said nay in contomire wudia effect kese o ma hu makre awo contomire yedie mu all because eniema na galamsey activities no apollutu ye wiem anti contomire ye kan wasem yankasa no ene wo di contomire wo nye safe confirming ne medi kan ya ansa na me ko bia na aso ye akwaje ma home no because leave wo ho no banti wudi banti a usuro enti yesi obi a ohye ba bia no umpeo galamsey ifate no ebi be yeren ebi be kam na niema damage a galamsey akoso forest ya nanado danko akofo ade dia sojafo etwa ho hyiaye ukọ eastern region ehemfo wo ho be dia dance ya se ye wo forest ya kese wo ho a na the government of Ghana any Otihini task force Ochimayura na la mekita kotodwem wonkwada ono ne task force any aban ne task force forest kese ano mo bo ho ban no ene andisi aban atwia for Otihini so abawura forest him say oye officer ye bema o man task force no emra force o mbeku o munyina enne ochiman task force Otihini task force na no mo bo forest kese e wo chebini ni mpatam no andisi baye andisi vagabonds andisi vigilante boys age forest na ye den afa ama se say Otihini ade nensa asum na no ana ohwe ne ye den ekwaso because and these vigilantes boys no threaten say Ochiman task force no ye mistake so am be stop wo mo a ombe hu etu ahodo a ebe kasa na ombe kira Otihini say wo ma ban na ye den aba enti osagefo amwatia oforipanyin ayesei na forest ya yabo ho ban western region forest ya yabo ho ban ahafo forest ya yabo ho ban ya dwiri ni nyina de atofam abumu nua di etu god wom sabo so men kunu yi enna me no kasai ye ni forest bia bo so men kunu yi bosha o sheye ejina kredi anim kan ye no eno atonsuom enne oba omo ba be ka kire ye say President Mahama ene ka kire Ghana for say oba use 120 days na akofo ado ache dodo akofo ado ache ontimi nkontia galamsey nti onu be use 120 days 120 days ni son ya fere so fosu kwachi Ababe feeling say catch Ghana for say aban way too young to fight or eliminate the galamsey activities. Awurade Nyankopon. Aban ye too young to eliminate the galamsey activity. Ntino omuntimi mfa 1 year enkontia galamsey. Se say dey 120 days biemo na mom ne omo catch Ghana for ne say womuntimi mfa 1 year enkontia galamsey enti obi antimi nyere enforce omo yate muntimi abani ye too young se muntimi nkontia galamsey but sa aban na mo se aban ne ncheye no aban na encheye no abosome nkunu nie no aban na aban ketwa na mo se onyiniye no aban na afe na o ka kire Ghana for so yenya abotre na afe na o sua kokodie no aban ne ba abonte no abeka kire Ghana for so afe na o sua kokodie Ghana for da wi a no wa fa kire akodi fufuo ni nkra Ghana for da wi a na abanketwa na afe na so o sua kokodie no wa fa kire akodi fufuo ni abankwan The young government, within 9 months, abo Bosnia $15 billion. A banket to abo Bosnia within 9 months, $15 billion. But the Duru Galamsey so they are, say Abani you too young to eliminate Galamsey activities. You too young. Now, the young government, abo Bosnia $15 billion just in 9 months. Just in 9 months, $15 billion. Ghana bakosemu abambia no yenya ye Fourth Republic, abambia ba. Now within 9 months, wabo bosia $15 billion. And your President Mahama and I say, ono na make history. Now wakwasa na ba. Inti aba bi ho history no guso oyeden o make. And so almost say aban no guso ye young. And so ma jebosia $15 billion. And no dia abanke to jebosia $15 billion ya. Ye. Na mom abanke to ano fight Galamsey ya enye ye. Na abufusam a woman say Womatria media house subika enti we MPP ni na ukwatena wo show no so a ukwa kan Galamsey ho asema enam say sansentwere ni na gisikanti no aka kire no ma shout MPP for ne down say miawa no nka bi na modia na moye eya no wa babisa me abronya mete ase dia na MPP ye eya babisa me brabe bomusuo na babisa me say enka Galamsey asem na dia na MPP ye but mo ye tiamo a na ma kwele back ye tiamo a na ma kwele no ne tia ne say mon kan kire mo say ansa na me de mamu communicators na mo kwa na hosufo na wamakwa akwaji sika asem botom no maka kire mo say mo MPP for there muni moral right say mo be kan ho asem na Galamsey fight no mo anya hwe etinka bi you can force NDC for no munya ye na ye yenka makwa akwaji skanti yate but mo kwa say wo kwa ne say wo ye unprepared and na nwumire ne ka kire mo say hosunu nim ne o kan ye dikan Saunim ni o kandia MPP anya hwe kura na yenim se MPP aban anda na nado danko Akufo-Addo edi Galamsey yestumu ema President Mahama ka say obema mo aminasi ay achievement ni bi no nanu adai enipa 900 enipa 1000 a President Mahama ma mo presidential pardon no emu 782 aye Galamsey yes Montia ni ye clergy Muslim society any Ghana fo nyina ne yesin kontomire makura seno banchi makura seno bodie makura seno yensu ayenom makura seno akoma yade ne kidney problem a eba yeso no eyasem kase no nanu adai presidential pardon President Mahama maye no emu 782 aye Galamsey yesia na nado danko Akufo-Addo echi wo mo na mo ye Galamsey kwambone so emfamra kwan so na enye under small scale mining enye proper mining na yesi yenye ne sa na mo say yensuo 782 na nado do mutumu no President Mahama ba ye wa mo presidential pardon and odi kan ye said nkrofo na nado do matum e wo Galamsey hunu oba ye obayi wo mo enti wo ye journalist na se odwene man no ho a wodwene man no ho a ka wo nkwankwa gisika emebisa MPP communicator say miawa no nkabi na mo ya hundi mo yeye but what your mind wa na President Mahama na bi na no ka say enkrofo na na dodo makwa afiase e wo galamsey ho no oba obayi omo ampa oba ye no wayi omo emu 782 wayi omo ama omo kofie omo nyina ye galamseyers. President Mahama Kroya ene Lance Minister Kofi Amabua say galamsey no ye collective fight. Yes, a collective fight. You know be any asem because kontomre say na mem kotodia menya problem. Safu benya problem. A bishop benya problem, moderator benya problem, reverend minister benya problem, politician, everybody benya problem. Banchi sayer, bro sayer, everything affected by galamsey activities ya obi odebe kwana no bia no ebenya hunsunsanso nti a collective fight e nokore. Na mom at the time na ye ka kire NDC fo no say national security ntwetwemu kire say galamsey ye kan wasem no. President Mahama introduction of youth in mining in 2013 no ama galamsey adidi emabunu ni tim eba besi nese o kan hwea omuntie. Continue. Because our youth in mining now President John Dramani Mahama kofa ba 2013 no eno ana ama oman no asai eba besi nei. Continue. Ghana Central for empenokre ebinum empenokre no mo gisika wo mo pese ombeka nokre nti en mo san Central for nso yanimu e wo krom ha say de mo bedi nne ena hia mo enya Ghana kikire asem enya daati asem biem se mo nya bibi se mo bottom awie ne se mo da sore na Ghana ni wo kra na mo ye okay. Continue. En mo nim pefe say adia ma galamsey enei Ghana mabunu binum o ka hwe omuntie awo galamsey hu ne say sa youth in mining a President Mahama kofa ba 2013 ni yesisa NDC mabunu across the country the 10 region then esisa NDC fo mabunu youth organizers ni nyina do omokoye youth in mining that time na ye model under the YE asema benka obi abetima gogo me ko break ba making kind ekwana mu introduce youth in mining in 2013 under YE model na andisi mabunu across the country adwo mo ji galamsey womu gusu se forest mu na MPP bae nti ye ka hwe kura na NDC fo nim say NDC ma na ye galamsey ni kase nti national security report even identify say galamsey na ye ka no NDC mabunu na ye ne kase over 78% galamsey ye kan wasem and this mabunu na ye because of youth in mining now President Mahama therefore ya ekofa ba 2013 enti ye President Nanado ekolo on all the political parties say babi aduru no mo mabunu na ye mo mra na nyina ye mfa politics in tonchen no. Yet try say you best stop what the na President Mahama akọ catch mo say me say mo bo say me ba mama mu nyina amnesty ampa obaye no wa granted presidential pardon 782 amomu friafiase ayeden aba enti omaba no he na omo sanako they are going back awo babia no omo ye adwuma na President Mahama etimi kachire na nado danko akofo ado say ono no de o man e match na ama ono obia enko fight galamsey na President akofo ado na ye president enti onko ne galamsey ono no ba obeko ne de ono wo na niso ade hu no producer bo video no mayenhwe producer bo video no a President Mahama kan ye say na nado danko akofo ado na ye president enti on fight ne galamsey ono so ba obe fight fa video no se menhwe
We're going to drive the elephant straight back into the bush so that the NDC can come back and continue the good work that it was doing. We're going to drive the elephant straight back into the bush so that the NDC can come back and continue the good work that it was doing. As Sam George said, President Akufo-Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The University of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We were there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get him the tape of what I said at the University of Energy and Natural Resources. Recently, when I met the clergymen, the Christian community, a part of my speech and the questions and answers was again on Galamsey and small-scale mining. And so, I mean, there's a lot that I've said. It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining. We're going to drive the elephant straight back into the bush so that the NDC can come back and continue the good work that it was doing. As Sam George said, President Akufo-Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The University of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We were there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get him the tape of what I said at the University of Energy and Natural Resources. Recently, when I met the clergymen, the Christian community, a part of my speech and the questions and answers was again on Galamsey and small-scale mining. And so, I mean, there's a lot that I've said. It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining. We're going to drive the elephant straight back into the bush so that the NDC can come back and continue the good.
Obia Tibi, it is the responsibility of President Akufo-Addo. And Nadia and your only responsibility. So Obia Tibi, and that President Mahama say it is the responsibility of Akufo-Addo to deal with the Galamsey menace. Now, and this senior brantie ya omwadie omuhwe ewo krom ha because ne papa aye DC chief executive and DC part 1 President Mahama Penso omu obia wo krom ha and wa hide behind the yisa ne party na aba power and audience and phone okoko dina ho a she said the responsibility of President Akufo-Addo, President John Dramani Mahama to deal with the Galamsey activities. Namom, a nipa obetima stop Galamsey or Ghana. His Royal Majesty Asante Maura Otumfo or said to two Otosumino. Assembly na andisi ya manyo kuona sumano se onyakwanya onka. Wey andisi ya manyo kuono ana suma rafu say onka sasem no on fama to abonten say otumfo ene betima stop galamsey womu nimnie omu chichire ni wodanum na onu na omu fi say obetim di asanteman wura nim atwitwi fam because onu na eni ntete papa ana waje bibi 20,000 ahye ne botom nti ohun 20,000 no efonfon no oba wiase no dana wa hana ne board ne pa no aye 3,000 Ghana cedis enti no okọ ne sa ndisi for no tam 20,000 e ma ne se rafu gia centrafu gisha ho a wa hu wiase enti no otumfo kura gina ho a onhu no enti no o pasa o ka kire Ghana fo se otumfo nim galamsey hu bia na kwase se ebisa wo rafu no so otumfo ene betim ne dikan Ghana security Ghana the 1992 constitution ya edamanimu no o mine security ni nyina no as President John Dramani Mahama sa President Mahama and yet the commander in charge of the Ghana Armed Forces. President John Dramani Mahama and yet the chairman of the National Security Council. Oria na constitution national money to me to appoint the vice president to chair the police council. Nti constitution no eye clear. Ewo ha. The composition of the national security. Our president here edano. Now we are set up ayi tumi we nyina kita president na senye His Royal Majesty dia eyeda ndisi fo musoma rafo say omra bonten meka say otumfo ene betimi astopo galamsey a ekwaso our eastern region otumfo na ka so munkogu forest mo galamsey a ekwaso wo eastern region otumfo ene ka say andi simrantie a o mako take over apam oti hini task force a o mo protect o mine forest ya oti hini say ye datinti what task force o mo protect ye forest no andi si aban ba ye no andi si vigilante boys akwa chesi oti hini task force for na free ho a take over the forest say ya ban na ba otumfo na do mkogu ho galamsey ekwaso western region and western north galamsey ekwaso awonwi galamsey ekwaso akontomra galamsey ekwaso bibiani galamsey ekwaso ahafo galamsey ekwaso bono region otumfo na do mkogu ho andi simrantia womugu forest mu womugu nsuano ese ye nsuo brimu river prat ne ne keka ho tano river and various forests ewo o man Ghana and no ma take over galamsey fu amu wo bole bamboy President Mahama Danachi galamsey ekoso bole bamboy President Mahama ne Danachi o galamsey ekoso ewo bole otumfo na do mkogu ho because when you akwanya no bi aka kire se kopim otumfo akutia nti watia sim but wonu se wadwene mu da ho na sa soma na ye soma wo no bisa ho se galamsey ekoso obole President Danachi galamsey ekoso obole no ehu other regions President backyard galamsey activities ya ekoso no ehu other regions no the president na onu be make sure say galamsey activities ever stop no ne backyard galamsey ya ekoso within this short period no e bin see that na bole fo hu sa galamsey activities no be that Yes. And on the president, Otumfo, and the car say, and this Simrantia Koku Bole, so Munya Sagalam saying, a big cost for president Dana Chipe. Na Sansa siya mabubo tu nyina no Otumfo nimbabi eda enti NDC fo asoma se begina ho na disrespect Otumfo na ko ene de enye the responsibility of President Mahama Bio na mom it is the responsibility of His Royal Majesty so be stop galamsey aningwase na atomo eni opia be hu se akwan bi na mo hye edi batu disrespect Otumfo na mom o disrespect no one disrespect no Otumfo yo Otumfo o disrespect no one disrespect no Otumfo yo Otumfo and dey say fat o disrespect you, one disrespect you, yana, oteni baby. Now no, he might be my message, Eddie Free, Eastern region say, me repeat about state ya ache, ewo mangana, namsi you. Na, opeso who, because omun ye, obia kran kama nente da say, asantemai, a defeati broni kokoda. Where your him or head that framing every Eastern region after the show. Say, and yan anwa, Conte crowd that say, Asantemai, a defeated British da. Or that. But Omon can for Namsi, yes, Asantemai, a defeated British da. Ekum, Governor McCarthy. And a British government, yes, so moko prepare because Asante no is strong. Wamoko prepare. And womo armed forces no buy. Womo the military buy. Womo the military no cry buy no. Womo who say nye. And to womo convince some people from the Gas state and the coastal state. And some omutimi they womo combine the British combine with the Gas state and the coastal state Kambomu and some omutimi defeat Asante. I'm church and I him. I'm saying no. So I will be on Teda. Nam saying near me a woman no be asun to me and sano near no credit no credit. Yes, obi onim bia be catch say Asante so ma defeat British da eno na nam so a wo mukum maka Governor McCarthy wanyare na wu yo Asante ene twa ni ti kum no through the war no mo koye 1824 no mo ko prepare ye o prepare by no kra no as so munya internal support from the coastal state and Gas state and san o mutimi akwa we ni sa fight no against the Asante and san o mo kwatika no because British for no yes o mo ntiase sa Asante a defeat o mo akum Governor McCarthy dia and so mo fight back and na mo fight back etimbe defeat Asante take can say she said they defeat my ateka the Asante wo ho Dabon state e wo ho obisa se o na manka yes Dabon state wo ho 1100s achepa Bunu state e wo ho Bunu state e hu ni sa no e wo ho 1100s na Bunu state ye den e wo ho na Bunu state wo 1100s na Bunu state enye state ya nena Ebaye, but near why ya na bakosem eso a uko jina UK abontene so a ufa tokrom ba bia ekita bakosem wo mu buku mu eye the Asante Kingdom ene the Dabon Kingdom eno de ukoduru UK sisi ana e wo mayimu because uko kopiem wo ha Bunu state ne de e wo ho a obi anim se ache 1100s ne wo anyini pa anye ne but sa kingdoms we mienu de abrofo no mfo mu ni agoro na abrofo no wo respect ma omo and sa respect ne wo ho abesi ne the Asante Kingdom the Dabon Kingdom. I war Monkratam, me a metia mintimi him film. It is a wono. Asukwa no mabi ya small kwema 20,000 no ba bejina adia ye the president responsibility mo se yen divert attention ne enkoka se otumfo ene ntintim nkofo on ne betima stop galamsey fight otumfo ne control Ghana military otumfo ne control the police and na me no ka say no the inspector general of police and pepe say on my police for enko kuntia galamsey biem e de na e ka kire if tete ye onu etimi ka say on my police for enko kun galamsey biem enko fight galamsey biem a ne e ka kire Ghana clergymen the Muslim society and the traditionalists ayewo kromano say the inspector general of police etimi issue statement to say police for mo galamsey side nyina ma recall mo back here why ne control IGP mama yem fa nokra enye adwuma se o man o na munyai enkontompo sem no inspector general of police no president Mahama na appointed no na say yam pasa president Mahama ye serious so be ko atia galamsey dia eyeda na inspector general of police say police fo a wo mo ka anti galamsey task fo no ho no wa withdraw mo e ma ban ne so atiase hwan ne man IGP instruction say on withdraw police fo na wo mo wo anti galamsey task force no so eya president Mahama na director no all because president Mahama nye ready say obeko atia galamsey na wo rafu koko gina ho a ai enye president Mahama asem eyo tumfu asem what are you insinuating? Tell us, what are you insinuating? Who insinuate say otumfu nim galamsey who been to on the betima kana otumfu na ama andi simrantie eye galamsey no meboa raf na onto ne panko raf no onto ne panko na mo sisa andi simrantie kogu forest mu no mo ye galamsey ya ma ba betrase na mo de akwakwa link otumfu a otene baabi evidence ni ya clear South Eastern region oche task force o mo protecting sase nyina no mama no warning astopo ne mrantie wo mo nya o madwuma forest ne sase ni nnua obo ho ban eno mo take over say oche ni right so obeti task force across wo Eastern region now we are with the ababa she Asante Manwura otene baabi a odwene ne manfo ho na de kwa akwose no se president Mahama epa on fatumi no ene Ghana soldier fo nyina ne police fo nyina ene land ministry enkwa Asante Mantamu no onko kase se mo pese onko dia na enye akutiabo dia mumfa soldier fo ne military ne police fo nya onko se ne nsem because emre bi atwam no abrofo no ema Asante self rule no omutimi wuru omo omo Asante na wuru omo from 1935 to 1957. How many years? 22 years. Asante na ankasa emas a year self rule. The British government grant you almost self rule. Emo ankasa generate omo revenue. The triaduma foka the biye development. Enti samo kan sadia na mom wotimi nyina baabi nkopema kutia se enya president Mahama na ese okuntia galamsey na mom eye wo otumfo wo raf wo yi mama yati ase se galamsey na mode baaye no e different 2010 no ebesi nne no obina media bia sorry na MPP penso na youth man in Bembaso MPP buy a youth in manning and ye and this model no ye buy a guno a producer me de da o lanchi youth in manning amount fat so yes we 2010 me mo bia ho high evidence base adwuma ne ye no youth in mining our lanche Thursday 17 June 2010 Baba Jamane lanche sadie we youth in mining what youth in mining eno na di mo mabunu no mo na mo de ba say e mabunu ntinwuram enkonkɔ ye youth in mining wa mreko a wo munni the necessary a year machines ni requirements ni tools wa wo mo de be ye adwuma no maka o magum youth in mining enti no be galamse no be ye e na aka mu aba be sinne adivoro poa na be ye kanka ena mo se mayenka na mo tuatua sika e man centrofo binum so mo nka say the government is too young MPP for me o ma no na de na mutimi ye timi ye obibi e de nkrofo tumu e ma apredama ma mo presidential pardon enti so ye tibo nkoso journalist ya e so hu se na nado e de nkrofo tumu e na predama ma ba ye no wakwakọ yi o ma firi ase ya wiye no na ye ko President John Dramani Mahama enura onya akwanya ewo UN General Assembly na one ne yire ne abusuafo ne government appointees binum kono enti side meeting ebi kwaso African leaders ewo America maimu na side meeting ase no ena okwatwetwe nkomo ye mana kwanya so nkasa se Ghana mampanyini ene 24 yi so wasana repeat eniema okan ye nyina ewo UN General Assembly no na ne ebobo ba ne se enra ne nyina no President John Dramani Mahama de atodwa se COVID-19 na eba ye started 2019 the whole of 2019 June 2019 ekoya maye kowura 2020 mu na ba ya 2021 eko na wieye ansa na covid no ano brase no aman bebre ne bubuye Spain bubuye Italy bubuye UK ayemre for the first time over 100 years na UK aban emfa omonsa enwura wo reserve mu a edaba bi 16 billion pounds 100 years yo UK aban 100 years ebra wo do omonsa ewura wo reserves mu edaba bi a wo de bo oman no ho ban ema enchirima se be ya abra bia no oman no benya hode no emra etoso mienu a UK aban edo omonsa ekwa akobo wo reserves mu eye 100 years after a black COVID-19 yi baye ena aban no etimi spending 16 billion pounds. Now you can imagine you can buy then and say kobo the reserves from 16 to the tune of 16 billion pounds there. It can't be beat now say COVID-19 no hit one more economy in pa America, Australia, and Crawford, yeah, you are muddy, and Crawford Buffy and Yina, or Bagana ha. Over a year, not teacher 40 fee because of COVID, but now buying it to your mocha. Most institutions and industries are running shift, a bit lay off workers because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Nti no impact. A buy no spending a lot of money. Emergency equipment and machines ya yebe here. Ga isi haye. any Asante Mantamu ebeye center serving the northern sector say babia ye betima testing in tentem na yenya resource say obi anya COVID-19 sa man measures we nyina no were put in place under Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government just to save life into a minor boka or minor safari or minor face economic crisis. Nanado Tififre on the economic management team no at Tififre. Ye re yano, yes, a young far hospitals in Sanome Bom, and Nura ye craba or minumo COVID-19 no, near crania talk, feeding and other issues. And a reason the World Health Organization ultimate nasi eka say wamonchi move across the globe or manya leader no etimagina ne nanso abon ho modern akon even though COVID-19 no etisi omoso na mom ye pe leader wagina ne nanso akon e the proper measures agu akwan mu. Now, or mine no developed country, now developing country. Aya or mine Ghana, Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ba any Bawumia na di anymore. Why Health Organization ka say? E wiase nyina Ghana and atimakun COVID-19 no ade ne nkrofo nkwa because we said the yade ni si ba ye na next say ka tie te say because we Italy, Belgium, Spain estatis muhu yan say enipa 900,000 no mawu. Spain enipa 1.2 million no mawu. America close to 2 million no mawu. Enti kadie ne besi o man Ghana senka yenya pragmatic leader or leaders like Nanado and Bawumia said the Nanado can ya say the idea of putting or constructing hospitals across the country, no. This is a binuma woman hospital, no. Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ideas. Into your work, pragmatic leaders at the time. Our mutimi jina pinti ma Ghana. Yetimi save life. Ama na yetim kwam. Into your kana baba. Yes, ye nipa nkwana mo ye po so hwe nipa ewu Spain close to 1 million ebetima kan obia yankase Ghana nipa ngu nipa ba kokura wu e asem enti that 2,000 plus na ewu ye no e asem. But when you compare that to other countries like Spain, nipa close to 900,000, Italy over 1.2 million, America bebre. Not just a Ghana. Next say World Health Organization for Ebebo Ghana Baso. Say near man ye dia go na kwan mu no. Omo kra na omati shock. That is MPP. That is MPP. That is how the new patriotic party no operate. What doubt to ye na so the ade man ya ye betima ye. Nti World Health Organization for womo twetwem amanya hodo bebrebe nyina no enipa mpe nokre ba Ghana and almost say ya so far as the fight against COVID-19 no concern no Ghana ya because of political power be person tasting tea or mana ya ball ka save life we nyina no President John Dramani Mahama say nye nokre. Because our Boka save life and economic effect. Boka save life and economic effect. Gensi biana uwo biano ebeka teli. Yes. Ye wie yano ani ese sadie no ama Ghana ya hodian ni ye wo ye started 2018 ba the way an economy ni si grow babi an economy we ase nyina boy abaso e pe na nado danko akofo ado ahwe na manya hodo ba o manum aba hwese leaders ben na Ghana for do amaba all of a sudden economy ni etania emu ye papa say because 2018 we all witness said the mind no economy peja na we are seeing in boy abaso and 2019 ye kosia COVID-19 enti sa against na ne ye wo bia no ye po yempo e be drop na drop and this force that Ghana economic crisis no has nothing to do. The economic crisis then no had nothing to do with COVID-19. Hey, sir. And Sisia Menoka say, ye po yempo. Sa loss no, ye nyam fili host no nyeden. Enye yam fili host no nye. And so NDC to me by force or mu penti e katre Ghana for say MPP boa enye COVID-19 na the problem biaba. Ye to aba wie ye dia. Mubenya to media na the late Tamale Central MP Ibrahim Montala and COVID-19 there ama o mine program pa and President John Dramani Mama in 2024 October 2024 eka say MPP aban na nado danko akofo ado aban e de hammer e broke COVID-19 apampam dodo na oma COVID-19 nyere enwene ne ho Oma COVID-19 yere enwene ne ho tidia na asi se sia me no kasai no se sia me no kasai no makwa akogina UN de na assembly se COVID-19 no e reduce or mine gains producer fasa video na okasa 2024 no Fatusuna Tiefun. The double standard leader, Ghana for Kofanaba Kromai. Fatusuna Tiefun. Producer Omotra. Where you and Diana? Dear President Mahama Kayano. Was a COVID-19 pandemic erased 2 decades of poverty reduction in less than 2 years. Na pet video na nkasa o kan 2024 no bra. Where no right asem o kan ene ne e wo UN ha bosa video no.
This offered by this government for the economic mess keeps growing by the day. When it has been convenient, COVID-19 has been made the shipping boy and has been blamed for all our woes. Recently, the Russian-Ukraine war has also featured prominently. Russia and Ukraine's war has also featured prominently on the list of excuses, as have the so-called financial sector cleanup and supposed excess capacity payments in the energy sector. My brothers and sisters, none of these claims are acceptable. The list of excuses offered by this government for the economic mess keeps growing by the day. When it has been convenient, COVID-19 has been made the shipping boy and has been blamed for all our woes. Recently, the Russian-Ukraine war has also featured prominently. Russia and Ukraine war has also featured prominently.
Yes, so two board danya, a besan bauso, and a dahono. Or since summer MPP can say COVID-19 no, ama or minor economic gains na reduce no, and yanokre. And they sadly because of 2 million open 2024 and no na ye catch or say a dra batua. Be careful with the party I from NDC. Be careful with them. A dra batua. Be careful with them. And they ono no teswane de o se yanyini ni say COVID-19 the problem by MPP pension de anya nokore 11 months new October 2024 and o masa lecture we and no say nya no kreda say COVID-19 and o minor economic yinu e wo issues bia enya no krema Ghana fo mongu ene o se asem no kan 2024 October digi votes no na no kre na mum o candidate Ghana fo digi votes such a leader ebeye den na musuo ema o man Ghana da bia ebeye den na musuo enkita o man no kon because leader na otiso no o kwa campaign no only campaign message enti ni obeye ne say mame nada Ghana fo nitro enyi to me na me din tra na Ghana fo beto aba mame na wadi ntro na wie na to me na ba na ntro no eburu ni nua enti President Mahama challenges ya all facing ne bibia ebeto no bia no eye ntra odi ya odigi to me from now to 2028 bibia ebeto NDC government a President Mahama na tisuo bia no challenges bi obe face bia no eye ntra odi ye ho challenges na ye den ato no ntonti asesa na obia o promise ye so ba nurses bedi yie a teacher fo bedi yie akowura areas nurses ya ye be potu omu wura rural areas bia no President Mahama so be more 20% additional allowance e dey account makatuya ho teachers ye be postu omo akowura communities bia no additional 20% allowance ye de be taw so ye de be pay so enra ade ehun pa kese eni say doctor ni na nurse ni a wuti payo awode o uyam ya oya unamu abu na wako hospital no wako sia nurse ni a oba ba hwewa aban no entua neka sa nurse ni no adwuma ba ya ama no e chance ya hono makure ama wanom e chance ya hono makure ama wanom sa nurse ni no adwuma ba ya ama no e chance ya de pentoa aye aduana ma wadi no ye ja kwan pentoa bubon sunu mun tokuro no de nam enti ade ehun pa no sai o man chichiriye enkrofo a ehwe ya pom den no aban ye na dwen se ontue o mo ka ati se obia te no ho ase se onye save because ye dey apom den o man bia ye beka se o man we die e develop ni e develop ni ye no ade a ye de be develop o man ni ye number 1 I have ntisienya political leader bi na se ofa kwambone so be ye mampanyini na ni so aim ne se me de mentua nurses fo kada a teacher fo ye posu omo mentua omo ka the most dangerous one I won and the most dangerous decision by a leader of a state or head of state beka say nurses for the mentua omo ka e be take omo years ne months ansa na matua omo ka no e kire so o man no mu nipa helpful no o man no mu nipa are in a dangerous situation na esese Ghana for sorry no omo kasa because the president here na dwen say on tua nurses ka indirectly no president e kummo sa president ye na dwen say on tua nurses ka esese timamufo hu say indirectly no president directly or indirectly no president at the second or the two and the kumwo because our nurses we no as some who say okwa hospital you will not get proper treatment because any proper treatment to say washedao dabi na mom nurse ni na o treat no e kwande no ne nchoro mo we no nurse ni a ono hwe yarefo e de twotwo because free anopa na okwa adwuma no onidi ye nurse ni no adwene kwa na obefa so a obenya sika to lad bay nurse ni dwene kwa na obefa so a obenya sika tua ne danka nti wo yarefo no wo na obeba abedwene ho enti se nurse ni no antiman show ye wo hospital na se owu a enye deliberate na mom sa nurse ni na eti so show ma wunya pomden no sa nurse ni so nya pomden because e kwamde no odidia e na obenya good health otimi hatua ne dan ka na dwendwin firi ne mu a e na obenya health odia ne die beba abehwe wo yarefo no enti president John Dramani Mahama decision say on tua nurses for ka no directly or indirectly no opese okum Ghana for enti nura net for yetia sidwam abosomi be de wo over a year osimi ntua amoka because MPP for na for maduma enti mi ntua na nado danko Akufo-Addo ye kai president John Dramani Mahama 2013 to 2016 over 100,000 teachers a year Juma wa Ghana ha 3 years. President Mahama a year no simple interest. If more, less divide. If less, more divide. Say, Adiana matra 3 years, Mama 3 months. Until if more, less divide. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo bae. Then not General Secretary. Egeda sa teacher for ni nyina mo presenting petition to President Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Over 100,000 teachers. The president said the say. Tira kunkona kasem fa odwumaini na katua ni. Enti Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo make sure say. Sa teachers for ni nyina no. Even though President Mahama ne fa o madwuma 2013 to 2016 one pure omokano Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo e clear sa sika no free ho e ma teacher for no dia ni je etnase bara teacher for ye o masema MPP ye teacher for papa sen a teacher for ni MPP ayeda MPP ye nurse for papa sen nurse for ni MPP ayeda because ye nyina ye susa a ye nim emre bi atwam teacher ni ukita set A ubaye diploma bewie no na wabre President Akufo-Addo ya no so me the distance a year ba education aba our various college of education training colleges ni nyina enti memenda o power fieda over classes and set A no and no introduce you diploma in basic education a teacher for no be migrate to that system akoko ye diploma obi wie ya no yes obetim di akoko ye degree for 2 years a teacher for no minimum no kita set A womo take advantage the year for diploma in education no and nebinum aye professors ebinum aye professors wo Ghana ha but time Akufo-Addo ba mu no mo kita set A but through Akufo programs o mo introduce ye wo education sector no etimi boy Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ba na a diploma teacher yetetina ebi di 800 ne kofie ebi di 700 ne kofie at the end of Nanado and Baomia 8 years administration no na teacher nia oji 800 no 2017 no January 2025 no na sa teacher ni no at the 3,500 to 4,000 Kofi and so almost MPP anyahwe almost say MPP anyahwe teacher nia ye buy ya no mo tetena 700 Ghana 2017 and all the coffee 800 Ghana no MPP free abaimu no not the 3,500 to 4,000 Ghana coffee almost say any MPP aye and this year na yepe because and this is so about my allowance next is for say ye de ya Jessica no and so abane ye nto and ne awiemu demonstration and ne awiemu demonstration because mo pa banya edwana num mo pe party a edwana num mo pe party e oba wo mo ye omo nkrofo no ye critical thinkers wo mo ebehu how to recruit and how to pay you mo pe sa party no ye kwaya nim no ne ye kase yati we mfiri wo producer ya kan President Mahama na di kana kase onisika odebeye free senior high afi BC aye pinso ni nyina aye strategy and na mene mo kasai nyame ya doma other Friday or Monday mefa course ma awofo a wo momma BC ho amani hunu Friday mefa Monday me bie lunch na tum meto no dine BC amani hunu BC post na amani hunu senior high school for amani hunu President Dramani Mahama ewo what develop strategy or person di go free senior high no what develop strategy or the fee reintroduction of school fees eba the various senior high what develop that strategy and yes say Ghana for ye ready ha niamu hu ni nyina ne na nado danko Akufo-Addo na nado danko Akufo-Addo amosi na mamuo ni nye no 7 years 8 years amamuo ni nyina no ye witness BC atwenko mako 8 2017 to 2024 mako 8 because every year be nyankra ma omotwere enkra omukọ aban school e wo Ghana ha na nado danko Akufo-Addo 8 years akra bia no na nado danko Akufo-Addo gain registration fee but 2025 President John Dramani Mahama di akra bia okọ aban school registration fee 500 Ghana cedis adia na nado a omo say ni timo odere onwini nipa ho na nado nipa bonini o ya mafia ene Bole Bishop John Dramani Mahama ono na mo so ye bishop ono de adwene Ghana fo ho na nado danko Akufo-Addo ni timo odene papa na ni timo odene no 8 years BEC registration our public school wanye bida 2025 to our surprise President John Dramani Mahama eje akra bia okwa public school wa Ghana ha BC registration fee 500 Ghana cedis ojiye wamfanche ba nado danko Akufo-Addo odeche enti e kire se nado danko Akufo-Addo 8 years amamuo no afi bia no obi wo bi broso obi ba wie bi me sa me ba wie BC ya se me nya se ebia nado danko Akufo-Addo be cheme 500 Ghana but me nso minimum obi a in 2015 no BC registration ti akora na register antwere na nado danko akofo ado beye ni free 2017 no na sa akora na owo watua okọ register e na otwere ye e na pass ye enti registration ti otena afie mpre no e wo watua wanya sika register because papa ni bi maami ni bi enti meme hia obi so babia eye big problem say obaka kire ne say on raise 100 Ghana for registration obi wa babia eye problem say obi raise 200 Ghana for registration because 2015 na registration ye 60 Ghana for BC candidate na obi wa share one to register and trade dia e so won say problem wo ho obi be ho beto no obi so mo be ren e be kire no na honom na samre no e na Pentecost asofofuo wo problem e homre no e na Anglican asofofuo wo problem e homre no e na Roman asofofuo wo problem e homre no e na Methodist asofofuo wo problem e homre no e na Church of Christ asofofuo ye den e wo problem. What you say? A woman no and a press before a suffer for a war problem. And a suffer for a minimum because that time no na a sort of money do a problem until so mutria sa na do buying sa problem a suffer for a school fees a year registration shito a 2025. President John Dramani Mahama send this program na do be free and sorry so no or send by my registration fee and e course BC for no reintroduction of registration fee John Mahama send aba and cry you quite clear by question your man had that failing cranny bebre ni nyina ye strategy say and kakran because of the registration now, President Mahama 500 Ghana registration now. President Mahama introduced 2025 no. And cross says and cross 62,420. And anti-man register for BEC. Monkwa Ghana Education Service data na daho. And crowd madru from 3. I say komu register. No mu wa aban suku mu. Na so mu register kwa BC. Na ye that sorry ye. President Mahama di registration fee ananadu twa mu. Na President Mahama san introduce ye no. O introduce fees ni bia no registration fees no. And cry e wa aban school. Ese so mu kwa BC. Na mom o papa ne maami anya 500 Ghana cedis amomo no omo tena fie o manko register entre BC no eye 62,420 data no ekita hanu eduru susisi wo munim wo mu ma bonte meka eye strategy a wo mu ye se kakran ye bedum free education nija enne posi baye wo ma heda ye ni pinso enne say you pursue back secondary school before antana yeba man admission no and this otua admission form 60 Ghana babi 100 Ghana babi 60 Ghana enunti enam say nyame ya adomadoada mefa course enne enkura mo kwa secondary school admission form 60 Ghana to 100 Ghana under President Mahama na nado danko akufo ne eye free. Bono be na Ghana for ayomo hwa awofo omuguo hwa nkrofo ma eguo because of posting ebe wi akire no na maka kire omo say wa akopo suku aye pinso. That is the Ghana we are witnessing now under the hands of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. That is the Ghana we are all witnessing. Na se 500 Ghana etimi deny Accra e mane nkonkotre BC under President Mahama watch there and we are not safe as a country. Next year Senkra 62,000 and Santra. Not to say within 2 years, and cry 130,000. A better few Munko school. Now, or mine, yet chichirene say. And by 2024, no, near one cry. 2028, near one cry 450,000. Our Mugufia because of BEC registration tea or Muntiminko secondary school. Sankrawe, a mube half dear Abrabo ever say before 2029. Why? Because a nipa 6 million, I could take a decision. I'm a nipa 35 million until ye po as I said namo na ye biano ye deprive and cry 62,000 because of registration fee from now to 2028 and cry 400,000 and ye be deprive more for you registration because of registration fee at the bonne bay and now when you admission now wo kono so kra no admission form a 60 Ghana to 100 Ghana ni egu ho nie ni yakofa abanie ni Ghana fo ni patet million akofa abreye nie ye kwaya nim ni ye boboko ni ye kwaya nim ano no enne enra ye da sori ya ye da sori ya Omampanyini John Dramani Mahama ende lobbying brigade for na omo pe chief justice ya die no samande no me kan ho asem enti owa America no na ohwe agro no e wo hia TV enti o ye letter no free America and no send it straight because Felix no nyina go America Felix was so kwachi o ona president Mahama no nyina wo America enti Monday ni hit no kan wo mo no and no who said no ya appointment in tema at the Sambere ebeba. Omo letter no chief justice appointment no omo ye letter no every American buy at the UN General Assembly and one omo ko drafted letter no at the appointed chief justice no because Monday ni hit no omo wa America no omo hit no e wo here TV. And to hit in a car moano and a president man and program no crying and they and a president in Shroto say or Tinamoma his lordship justice Paul Bafuboni letter. Yes, answer member. Because one more no more lobbying in you can't think far. You can't think far. And Bafuboni so ni mo nyina or more. No mo nam na chi ye lobbying brigade ni nyina Bafuboni hu mo nyina o hu mo nyina abane say na ko remove obi a legally no na wona mase a wo propose no mo na mase tamatoko no e di post no mo na mase so na se ke di ma senior no and ne post abeto senior mo san krofo na mo wiwi toko no ho no mo fa kire say yemfa post no mamo ne yenya senior na ade ne kitana no e ho na hu say enipa anya papa enipa binum no ye heda wo mo bab emu anamo ka justice toko na asem former chief justice ho asem say ye back pass seniors na omo de ma ono no position ni beto ho no enne munam justice his lordship Bafuboni achi e kwa akope post no nti na no ma me wo so game no wo ha me wo so game na president Mahama say no as say lobbying brigade for no wo end wo mo because yes so mo so a e de assembly den e beba eye say ne his lordship justice Paul Bafuboni wababe chief justice and mo amunim no young guys na fe na mabam no young guys na fe na mabam no ye mamati ase say justice his lordship justice Paul Bafuboni e bra president Kufuor e de no court supreme court no and this for a demonstration wo kroma NDC party in the year 2000 2008 me mama ya ne mrantie na ma bom a mo se microphone ye mfa mamonwi e wo krom ha no ye witness ye the year 2008 a black president Kufuor de Justice Bafuboni e Supreme Court and this year demonstration. The demonstration was led by the minority leader Aban Subani Babin. Say, and you can say the Bafuboni Echo Supreme Court na Osa. That time, so now a court of appeal judge here. One meeting the requirement to all qualify because you qualify as a court of appeal judge here. Who qualify and 3 years no one qualify as a Supreme Court judge because High Court 10 years, Court of Appeal 12 years, ultimate Court of Appeal 15 years, ultimate Supreme Court. At the time now, ye nominated 2008. Yadi Justice Paul Bafuboni Echo Supreme Court no ye over 20 years at the bar. Not just a 15 years requirement in a Kurano, not Justice Bafuboni ayene aquatrasa. And so and this 4-year demonstration e wo krom ha say President Kufuor adin kra and Echo Supreme Court. Say sa kra na and this 4-year demonstration so ya kra. He doesn't qualify to be appointed as a justice of the Supreme Court, no. And then NDC for na kofasa akran say, "O may chief justice." Yasem papa. Yet we witness whatever took place at the time. And you be never catch it. Na mo say fufro no. And I may bomb man say the year 2008. A brand President Kufuor and nominated Bafuboni to the Supreme Court, no, and this Kufuor led by Abambabi, woman demonstration over the street of Accra, woman quiet demonstration over Kumasi, woman quiet demonstration over Tamale because of Justice Bafuboni. I did not go to Supreme Court to say, "Oh yeah, Accra." At the time, so no one meeting the constitutional requirement. Said the constitution it say ubekọ Supreme Court wa as say you obi a ukita high moral integrity. Now you have 15 years at the bar and now we're practicing as a lawyer for 15 years, you know. That time now you're over 20 years at the bar. Now I year close to 8 years at the bench. And so NDC force that. Yet here. Oya Accra, President Kufuor, Edin Kra na Echo Supreme Court, as a Southern Pen for ko. And here, yes, President Kufuor, who Accra brantie bi. Now offer na didn't call Supreme Court. Ma NDC kasati aye, man ne sa Accra no anyini, man ne NDC akwa fa ne se ne de Accra na motete no wanyini nti ya de ne ko Supreme Court. Yes, I want numbi wo hoseme kaya. Osidi obenyina ye kese me giri ye viewers no beto ama me e wo comment section ho. Aboa konkoti ba obenyina ye kese. Aboa konkoti ba obenyina ye kese. Abua konkotiba obenyina yekese na wadane apontreni. Justice for Bafuboni no. Abua konkotiba obenyina yekese na wadane apontreni. Abua konkotiba na NDC 4 year who demonstration 2008 say, "Oh, you're too young to be appointed to the Supreme Court, no, and they were nina dana pontreni." And so Pobia and this Sidini a year campaign the year 2008 babi ombegina biya ediatia MPP the year 2008 ya omu yusu justice for Bafu Boni wamasem nyina ne say Kufuor ne na pontis ya bokro no ewo Ghana ha enti wasesa nkora to say Paul Bafu Boni e de akwa bu Supreme Court just to protect onone interest any na pontis ni sika o mawia omo ba 8 years o mantumanchi obia krono Kufuor ne na pontis omo na etie say Kufuor ne na pontis ya bokro no o mantumanchi obia enti ne Sakura no mu ye hu demonstration wa Accra led by Babin. A year home press conference. Eko Tamale ko ye press conference. Eko Kumasi ko ye demonstration. Eko Cape Coast ko ye demonstration say Kufuor say judiciary no de nkra Bafu Boni ni Justice Doche akwa no mu ye nkra no. Enne Sakura na anyini abedana pontrene e ma ndisi fo afa ne say Chief Justice ya. Me a mimiti hey. Me ne Bafu Boni ni problem. Say oh di Chief Justice ya. Me problem ne say. Oh they are more than qualified so be Chief Justice. Me problem ne say. E kwana o mo fa so man Justice Toko no ko ye no enya papa. Ene de meka ne aka ne kina. But say yafa kwamboni nyina so mo faaye epam Justice Toko no amana kofie a o mapam ni wo mo hwehwe mu na no akora na o mo ye demonstration tia no edi ye campaign tia MPP 2008 so you too young to be appointed to the Supreme Court no and nessa akora no and o makofa na as Chief Justice the question is say sanka Kufuor amfa na nko Supreme Court ho at that time and can and this for Mama Kase, Justice Bafu Boni, and the most senior person. Munyano, because time I could afford the court Supreme Court 2018, Monsieur Yakura. Me were not qualified. And take a Kufuor for now, and can ne Mobaka say, ye the Amanu, because or ye the most senior person. Kufuor for now, Kwakobe senior, and this is for Munyano. Enti or qualify what to Supreme Court it should be a babia who be anonym. One more yamahi, I the lobbying brigade for now. No more fight. A quaco potion, lobbying brigade for no. Etinano me did get 2 munano, not President Hunse. Aquana, a man for the information at Bremewa. Yes, lobbying brigade for no. President is over and over and over. Over converting. Vetting what ye first in your vetino under Article 144 clause 2. This time no ye kwako vetino under Article 144 clause 1. And ye process ya from that because 2008 ye vetino under Article 144 clause 2. 2025 ye be vetting under Article 144 clause 1 meaning say Chief Justice no nti sanete nti obasana converting committee meaning say process ya obefam no wako now see the asweye and matters are rising see the ane de me de Friday charge sheet na and some wom the yadem call BNI I de me call ye nsem bebre wo charge tina ne de me de Friday matu aseda last year ye hwa kan wasem eye NS Owusu Bempa enra MPP amanyokuo eno video no keke na mebo na mapon MPP amanyokuo no eye ye nsura hunahuna eye demonstration fefefe eye constitutional requirement edi mraso MPP said obi anim ye no tambia na ye be ye demonstration wo man Ghana ha bia na ye make sure say ye be follow instruction ye demonstration wie ye no enne so Owusu Bempa one mre MPP ho na oti NGP na yekofa na dinetna Ghana gas ma waye yie se taman ne Ghana o persikafo a oka ho bie ampipi ba ban mu no misa proto border enemo misa no ba bia na da no na oni prot ampipi 2017 na enoso wusu high 1 bedroom ewa kra no wadam 1 bedroom na no high o enai ono ade ne ho ewo wadan ewo Kumasi won kran ewo bi wa America e ampipi na no si ampipi ngunu ane oni honorable Kennedy Japan nam e kan semtia ampipi no ampipi aye o mu demonstration yem fra wo say enoso so bempa bedwan ni because ye kuo makuo na ba power no nka ho bi en contemporary tro ana didi mo kwaje Ghana Gas Communication Director no ana modi bom Greek modi ye mo cat wo ho eno onya obi asema na wo asema ho akontabuo ye den e wo ho na po amabo mo ni NDC fu abo any team na wo mo ni Canada Japan campaign team any Canada Japan na ankasa mo ye madwen say eye pa mo akwakwage wo NDC fu ho say mo ma MPP fu MPP amanyokuo no ho ntona akra oso ma ne ma me na de ese mo hu sensuosia so de empa ne sebe ne to dawo akra oso ma ne ma me na ese mo hu se mo ano onabo Canada Japan ne ene so su bempa ene alestete no mama yese mo be se kuo no ene onabo Canada Japan ne yire no ni baby ba na one na wo a oti TikTok e kasa MPP fo ye nkwasiafo no MPP sika ana Canada Japan de hwe ne e ba na won ne wo ye no MPP na ma Canada Japan ye yie ene top money bia Canada Japan de bra wo ne sakura no e ye MPP sika MPP na ma Canada Japan aye Canada Japan no nyo obia President Kufuor ena ma Canada Japan ye Canada Japan na nado danko Akufo-Addo ena abasana di bia ba piso ama Canada Japan ye Canada Japan eti nesika na oda maame na oti TikTok wa wudi MPP fo ata MPP ye nkwasiafo MPP ye sei no eye MPP chop money na sira na ye de brew ye yakoye demonstration wi a owutu bempa se MPP ye ni right say ye beka NDC asem oni Canada Japan so nenam Canada Japan na asmo owutu bempa so onko condemn demonstration na MPP for ye no na ne me Sunday kire MPP delegate se sa na me no ne ebesi bia no me ba na ma ye ne boko nam di video na beto nam di akire MPP delegate say enkrofo we na se o mo na betima ye kuo no Canada Japan ne enkrofo se mo mfa kuo no nse o mo nsam with this attitude ye victimize enkrofo ye kan enkrofo kasaboa se o mo yam ye tin enkrofo ti hunu nano tama wuntume kade stroke to from no kura no nkai to from no e kade nko be pie bia na access wo be ba no na nka nye tama wuntumi aye nim no ne nyina aye nkwasiache o nka obe free wo be ba no nyame nko akatama wuntumi senka dance ni bi be kan ho a katama wuntumi di hwi ene be pie abonten because of nkwasiache a echia nyansa nima abanwe a introduce echia emfa oman na mra ho a aban na yere a introduce na ye kwakwa ye ho ye kire aka kire Ghana ni wiase nyina se obi na bebo wa TikTok wa ne yachi Facebook wa ne yachi obi na be yese ani akwakochi former appointees former ministers ni ye yese intimidation ubie wa no a ye the IPS e baba becho IPS no president mama nyawo na ade ba yo me ma wati ase susu dwa wanum IPS address no enyawo na ade ba yo eye nanado danko akofo ado na ban through adubu ahiya mo che ne na mawie no adubu ahiya mo se muntwetwa ne na monwe no 2022 and a national signal bureau ekrasa IPS address ne ba ye say ye de track criminals mu peso mu di oman na wu na di bone ne se brebre nyanya contact ne edi sema wo wa hwi na de waba et say ayi GPS address na de wabe santai nti wo bie pono no na police fo ye den ejina ho enu nti na MPP krabai na no wo kasa e media encounter no wo kasa te sene IPS address no wo bai na abe krabai IPS address ye kraba Ghana ha by the National Signal Bureau and the debate 2022 so nima enti enya wo equipment o na mom an Roberts di bone ne ye nya hu se isifu ka ho Kwame Ataka ho Atapoku ka ho Malam Yaya ka ho ye bisa omo numbers ne enya ye di se man ya track ne yakofo maba ya mfa mase ye de ba betia freedom of speech da binya no ntire de bai enti sania ma we nyina ka ho bie ene ye se ye kire nra ye kire wie ya Canada Japan ni team say omo ntiase say MPP ye kire na ye ni right to say ye beka NDC asem but mo se ye mfa party no enhye monsa Canada Japan ni campaign team say MPP ni right to say ye beka NDC asem but ye mfa MPP mamo monko NDC honorable Canada Japan mon country ni say NDC presidential prime minister no ebeba so 2027 on kind on kwadwane omo no mon kwasa elections no mon country honorable Canada Japan say me say NDC presidential prime minister no ebeba so 2027 enti on kind eduru ha on kwapeke from no mon kwasa election no na MPP mu de wontimi mama ye MPP presidential candidate ana aspirant na wonu team ababe catch say ye need any right to talk about NDC sa to me ne yemfa producer boss our voice ne yempon na nyame ya adoma Friday charge sheet no ho asem no ye beka ho asem amanfo ahu atetia ye de mi komu e wo bie na ho me baba charge sheet no na mahu ne ewom ye da mo nyina ase producer bo video no.
We don't have any moral right at this moment to criticize the NDC because we have failed in all flaws. Failed. And we need to get the moral high ground before we can criticize the NDC. If you don't have the moral high ground, we can never do that. Except a dishonest politician. Except somebody who doesn't have that kind of political, purging. We don't have any moral right at this moment to criticize the NDC because we have failed in all flaws. Failed. And we need to get the moral high ground before we can criticize the NDC. If you don't have the moral high ground, we can never do that. Except a dishonest politician. Except somebody who doesn't have that kind of political, purging. We don't have any moral right at this moment to criticize the NDC because we have failed in all flaws. Failed.
See, said me kan ye nyame ya doma video ni na da honom no ye ni to me honorable Canada Japan ni team say MPP mayen kan NDC asem ye ni sa to me no because 8 years amamuo no ya faili honorable Canada Japan ne kasa mafo enne so su bempa enne kasai nti on twan NDC ni de obia nim say Canada Japan ne kondo NDC pa obia nim say ne so su bempa kondo NDC pa enti ye no mu o meye gidigidi MPP na practice ya feni yate ye payade na momkuo na practice ya moma ye warning say NDC na ye mayen kan NDC asem no momfa ye kuo maye na momkuo papa no won be start presidential primary 2027 monko pick form ewo ho because montimi mametena MPP mon kan kire ye say da bia NDC mureye na moma ye nkan ho asem anti MPP delegates constituency executives regional executives, electoral area coordinators, polling station executives, munche video ya Canada Japan asoma ne kasa manfo so mekaze MPP for ye ni rat say beka NDC ase we anka ye nuntum from now to 2028 because you are failing as a party. Sa party ni yemfa mo because NDC abo mo pa. So mo meye MPP say CPP ana PNC na say MPP say mo bo musuo say Canada Japan team oni ni team ni omo ye ni a mo de frabera no e de mo no ma ko negotiate so on the also a businessman scan up and to the frabera no e she Canada Japan sa oni MDC be ko negotiate no waka kire omo so Ghana dey say 8 years 84 years in the achemo mumfa mo de frabera no ma Canada Japan oni MDC be ko negotiate managiska se utie asema odi asoma one so utu bempa mo de mana oni andi ti be kwa negotiate no wa discuss because your businessman scan up